We try our best. Kunwari may available raw materials. We try to retrieve. Kung video, papanoorin namin. Doon sa people, it discuss always of the last person, the founder itself, Mr. Lincoln. Kasi meron siyang gustong ipaunawa sa mga leaders para makita yung substance na gusto niya mangyari pagdating sa paksa na pinag-uusapan regarding people. And ang daming dilemma kasi when he discuss people, ang kanyang target of subject matter is to understand the definition of people on his Team Supreme and Team Elite Pegasus. It doesn't matter kung nakikinig yung iba, pero that's his intention na kailangan maunawaan ng kanyang top leaders ano tong magiging pagkaunawa natin dapat sa salitang people. So this is the last subject matter on our 6 P's, no? We call it people. No? So ang bottom line lang naman yan is build the people. So yun yung kanyang gustong sabihin. Kung bibigyan mo ng conclusion sa huli yan yung gusto niya sabihin. Ayaw yung gusto. Okay. So yan. Ang sinasabi niya, yung 5 P's, particular the product, platform, plan, procedure, potential, ay mawawalan ng side if there is no people involved, because the important thing is the people inside. So, but of course, the 5 component is very important to integrate on the people. Ayaw pala siya. So, sinasabi ni boss, people can make this world beautiful or ugly, better or worse, vain or modest. Kasi the very nature of human is like that. So wala tayong control, wala tayong kakayahan naman ang gustong gawin ng isang nilalang. So next, Doc. So next. Nako, kawawa naman yung aming can we give a round of applause to our and I almost forget and get can we give a round of applause to our conductors? Sorry. So, ngayon, sa multi-level marketing, yan yung kanyang unang introduction sa second discussion about the people. Kasi yung first and second, siya pa rin eh. So, he's talking about the numbers. When we're talking about the numbers, dalawang bagay lang naman yan. It is either quantity or quality. No? Next, Doc. So, ang sinasabi niya, in the multi-level marketing, it is not a problem of having no people. The biggest fear is having too many people. Are you familiar with this? Or more or less, we as a leader, we do understand this kind of experiences in terms of nung binato niya. Actually, by reflection, pagka inunawa mo yung mga pinagdadaanan natin on how we handling people, the more people you have, mas masakit sa ulo talaga, di ba? So this is the Doc. So ito yung sinasabi niya. Hindi ibig sabihin, kung mas marami kang tao, yan yung nararapat para sa ating ginagawa. So next. So, parang sinasabi niya, you have to remember this. Don't be greedy for a big crowd all at once. More people, more headache. Yun yung sinasabi niya. Kasi ang bottom line ng sinasabi ni Lincoln Hong, the best treatment for a target particular potential leaders is a one-on-one meeting on how you build your relationship with this target person. Because so yun yung sinasabi. What we need is someone who are capable to lead us to proper method of our system. Kasi alam naman natin yun. That's the important things that we need to influence to someone. On how we can influence this, na magtagpo kayo sa isang pananaw, sa isang definition ng tinutungtungan nyo in the platform of Freeway. So, kaya yung sinasabi niya, although, kung mapapansin nyo rin, within our experiences in a big event like LTS and LRM, our management are really pushing us to bring numbers, to bring quantity of people. So, hindi naman tayo nililimit na, ay, sabi po ni Sir Rad, isa lang ang bitbitin kasi yun ang pinakamainam na pakikipagrelasyon sa bagong ano. No, we need to bring numbers on our people. We need to bring numbers in this kind of because try to imagine that these numbers that you bring, the quantity person that you can bring to a big event, may magsasalita, may magmomotivate, hindi ikaw, may naka-assign. We have no idea who among those persons na binitbit mo that they may be captured a certain understanding of building a curiosity. What is this platform or invitation by my friend? Di natin alam eh. Kasi pansinin nyo, the first time also that we encounter Freeway, may idea ba tayo?
Wala.
Curious lang tayo, di ba? But because of this curiosity, we deep down to different angle of Freeway. What is this? Until we find ourselves that we are connected on the process, on the journey. That's why hindi na rin natin namamalaya that we already step in. Yung dalawang paa natin ay nasa loob na ng Freeway. Unti-unti. So, next. Okay. Ayun, in Freeway, it is not a problem of having no people. The biggest fear is having too many people. Kasi nga kanina, di ba, ang bottom line na pinag-uusapan pa rin ay the capability, yung kakayahan to influence this person. Kasi, siyempre, sa isang bagong nag-uumpisa, it's very hard for us to influence someone on something that we're not yet understand. Kailangan kasi makita muna natin ang buo. What is Freeway is all about. That's why, pag nakita mo ng buo, yung different aspect, particular the 6 P's, malaking malaking knowledge level yan for you to influence someone. For them to understand what we are doing in Freeway. Okay? So, next. So, I always emphasize that more people doesn't mean it is right. We start on one. And then, if you are capable to add another one, at least you have 2 persons to influence. Unti-unti. So, until these 2 persons already step in. Kasi, gano'n naman nag-umpisa lahat eh. So, although yung ilan sa atin, may kakayahan talaga mag-bit ng bilang. Pero, pag minsan, sa sobrang dami, di ba? If you are not capable to capture someone that are very, very potential, kasi the first person need to be leveled up, to be upgradable, to be in the level of understanding what is this platform is all about, what is this community is all about. That is the only way that you need to contribute to someone. Kaya hindi pinag-uusapan, sinasabi ni Libon sa atin, it is not on the numbers, it is not on the quantity. but on the quality of the person that you really bring inside of Freeway. Until this person parehas kayo ng nakikita na sa Freeway. And one of the indicator of that is even though you are not present on that particular event, pero nandun siya, ibig sabihin, there is a level of influence, already influence to this person. Okay? So, taas ang kamay ha, pagka medyo nawawala ako doon sa line of thought o hindi nyo na nasusundan. Anyway, can we acknowledge the presence of our Diamond 3-star, Rambo Tanawi, and Maggie, also, and Ate Grace. So, ito naman yung mga key leaders natin, ano, so that we already, ano. Okay, next. Ayun, okay na yan. Next. Four types of people. The first one is scam. So, binabanggit ni boss dito na we need to identify kasi ito ay bahagi ng ating society, yung mga taong ito. The first one is the scam. Yung mga taong classified as scam, ito yung sa madaling sabi, ito yung mga buwisit, ito yung mga pasaway within our family. Wala nang ginawa ito kundi humingi. Kung ano man yung nakikitang pangangailangan, hihingi. Kung ano yung mga, ito yung nakaasa lang sa gobyerno. Kung merong maibibigay na ayuda. Or kung sino man within the family. So, this person is really, a parasite in our society. Are you familiar with this kind of people?
Yes.
Meron ba kayong kamag-anak? Huwag nyo na i-reveal, no? So, ibig sabihin, ang sinasabi lang dito ni Boss, be conscious aware that we are not classified on that. We need to identify, but we need to, parang sinasabi niya, how you give treatment to this person. Hindi niya naman sinasabing i-isolate mo. Kung yan ay nagiging bahagi ng iyong organization, medyo masakit din sa ulo i-handle. Pero you need to you need to stretch your patience on how you can influence this person to change this. And then the second one is the manpower. These are group of people that always find ways on how to help you. Lagi nilang iniisip, saan ba ako pwede makatulong? So, and then the third one is the talent. No? So, these are the backup of any organization. Hindi lang sila yung paraan ng tumutulong. Usually, they have a certain form of they know how to handling the technicalities, the arrangement, the setup, the support, so everything. So in the Reways management, sila yung mga business development na they need to find that really so talent na nakakatulong sa kung paano pwede palakihin yung kumpanya. And then the fourth one, this is the kind of people that we need, the leader. Talagang mahirap pagilapin yan. Sa 100 katao, it's very hard to identify that potential leader from that a big crowd. Kasi ma-identify mo lang yan sa process. Pag dumaan siya sa proseso at nakikita mo yung commitment level, these are already called our leader. So mamaya, I'll give you some reflection question. Are we classifying ourselves presently as of now as a leader? So yun yung tanong eh. So are we belong already to that certain level of people inside Freeway now as being leader? So these are the four types of people that we need to identify within our team. Although, in the team level, meron ako naihandang video, hindi ko lang alam kung nakapasok. So tingnan nyo lang ito, panoorin nyo baka makadagdag insight sa inyo.
Ako yan na. Ayun.
Okay, so that's sometimes a picture can speak a lot, 1,000 words. So yung video, yan yung pinakamalapit na video na nakita ko that we can maybe relate on the four types of people. So kaya lang ito kasi mas magandang reflection within our organization. Sino ito yung mga tao ito? So within our team. Pero siya kasi na-isolate niya no? Ang pinaka-best treatment pa rin talaga doon is to influence, to see the person on certain weaknesses na baka pwede niya pang mabago. That's our role as a leader. Ano ba talaga bro? Okay. Sige, go. Okay, ito yung sinasabi niya. Be a negative deflector. Don't focus too much about the problems or from the past, it will drag you down. Be a negative deflector. I choose to be this kind of person. So, ang sinasabi niya, protect your mindset, this word is so cruel. So, ang sabi ni Limbun, no, why I become successful, why I'm still on this kind of level of thinking because of this kind of behavior. Any form of negative, hindi niya papahintulutan na kumapit sa kanya. Kaya even in our environment, even with the communication with our business development, pansinin nyo, we never discuss problems. We always discuss what is the potential solution on that particular problem. So this is part of our culture. This is the kind of environment created by Limbun. Yung problema nandiyan na yan. But for us to discuss it and to obvious it, it will not help us. So, kaya sinasabi niya, try your ways na kapag ka sa grupo ninyo, kung may nililid kang team at pinag-uusapan ay problema, in a negative way, you need to find ways on how to stop it. Even James, I heard this from our former GM. Pag sinasabi niya, kunwari, nasa ibang grupo siya, ibang barkada niya, pag ang pinag-uusapan ay mga from the past, he distanced himself. Kasi it's already done. Tapos na yun. So wala ka nang magagawa doon. If there is a mistake over there, it's very hard to fix it. The important thing is yung today at ano yung mga potential on the next future. Okay? And then, ownership. Go. Sige daw. Yan. If you say Riway as your partner, that's very difficult. You can easily complain. But if you treat Riway as your own, you will protect it at all costs. We need to elevate this kind of thinking. To my level, it has become necessary. So, ibig sabihin, good afternoon po. Kanina, good morning kami. Ngayon, good afternoon na. Hindi, joke. So, hello?
Hi.
Tita, kanina yung cellphone. Paparakol yan. So, anyway, yan, nawala na ako. Ang sinasabi ni Big Boss when we discuss about the people, inaangat niya yung level of our consciousness in a form of ownership. Pero hindi naman yon sa literal na pagpapay na, ay, JD, huwag nga ako ng kape. So, hindi naman ganun ka literal. Ang sinasabi ni Big Boss, kasi kung titingnan natin ang Riway in a form of distance, tapos we consider that this Riway is my partner, then it's impossible for us to be able to complain. Although napagdaanan natin yan sa ilang proseso ng panahon sa mga nakaraan. Lalo na yung transition ng product from 4 year 6 to 4 year 7. Alam naman natin, 6 months walang product. Kung hindi tayo puposisyon as a leader to nasaluhin yung mga reklamo at tayo ay nakikisabay pa sa kanilang mga reklamo, what will happen? So, this is the kind of perspective that Limbong wants us to elevate. Kailangan yung pagtingin natin sa Riway ay tayo rin yung nagmamayari. This is in a form of ownership. Kasi kung may ganun kang behavior, kung may ganun kang attitude towards the Riway, that you are part of the Riway, masasabi mo na whatever the angle na pwedeng bumatikos at pwedeng pumuna, may pamamaraan ka dapat kung paano natin ipagtatanggol, kung may mga kulang man, kung may mga comparison man, we know how to explain. So we're not here to, as a leader, as being mature leader, hindi tayo pwedeng nakikisaw-saw sa reklamo ng ating teammates. Okay? So, bakit ito talaga? Okay, sige. Yun. The resources of Riway. Ito yung isa sa mga importanteng discuss. Alam niyo kasi, habang dinidiscuss ni Boss yung people, ang hirap pumick up ng mga particular subject matter that can maybe fit to our needs. Kasi ang dami niyang dinidiscuss doon on the international level na ang kanyang participants ay team supreme level. Pag yun ang aking diniscuss sa inyo, maboboring kayo, no? Kaya I only pick up that I think we need to understand on how he define people on his perspective para mas ma-appreciate natin, para mas naunawaan natin yung pakahulugan na gusto niya mangyari sa pag-unawa natin what is people inside in Riway. Ang sinasabi niya sa resources ng Freeway, why I need to put my money to others? I'll put back to people so that they will grow into different level. Alam niyo, on the 5th year, ini-encourage si boss na mag-IPO, initial public offering. Ibig sabihin is stocks. I-open niya ang Freeway on the public. It's easily to collect money. Kasi may track record ang Freeway. Pero hindi niya ginawa. Why? Hindi niya ginawa. Possible naman, di ba? Potential mag-IPO yung Freeway. Pero hindi niya in-entertain. Why? Kasi pag may ibang nakialam na hindi nila nalalaman what is the nature on how to operate the business of Freeway, pag pinakailaman nila yung mga desisyon na nararapat para sa kapakinabangan ng mas nakakarami, it will rattle. So, anong ibig niyang sabihin? Ang sinasabi niya, instead of I creating another company that feasible to leverage myself na pwede rin pagkunan ng source ng income, na pwede naman niyang gawin, hindi niya ginawa. Hindi naman siya bumili ng oil sa Iran, di ba? Hindi, joke lang. So, ang pinopoint niya lang, I must invest again to put back to our people. Ibalik niya yung kanyang, ano man yung possible na pwedeng kitain personally. Alam niyo ba na all the mansion of boss in the entire countries na meron siya, hindi nakapangalan sa kanya. The title of that particular real estate ay nakapangalan sa Freeway. So that's how generous the Freeway. The boss is, no. Personal niyang pera pero pinangalan niya pinapangalan niya particular sa Freeway International. So what is the message behind of this? Yun, papasok ka dun sa form ng ownership. Siyempre, hindi naman anytime kung gusto natin pumunta ron, pwede, di ba? May certain qualification. Halimbawa, yung mansion dito ni boss sa Philippines is only allowed Team Elite Pegasus. Malay nyo, matuwa kay Sergio, imbitahan tayo. All the tayo 3-star, 2-star, and 1-star. No? Tapos mag-swimming tayo. Tapos nagkataon may helicopter na si boss. Sabihin natin, boss, pwede mong paantarin yung LC na. Papatuyo kami ng buo after ng swimming. Okay ba yun? So anyway, ano yung bottom line na sinasabi niya? Ano yung sinasabi niya? I want to invest to all of you. To all of the leaders that already involved in Freeway. Anong ibig na sabihin? Because I want you to grow. Because if you grow, if you earning, the company also earn. That's how symbiotic the relationship. I put money on the LTS. Do you think how much is the LTS? The World Trade Center, how much is that? For a one-day event? Do you have any idea? Sino mag-invest ng mga 10 to 15 million per isang araw para gamitin? Just for us to bring people that try their best to understand the intention of Freeway on the public. Sa ibang kumpanya, annual na nila yan, celebration. Pero sa atin, quarterly, LTS, di ba? That's only LTS pala. On the big event, on the LRN, lahat naman naka-attend, no? Naka-witness, lalo na mga gala night. Can you raise the hands of those persons who are witness the gala night? Try to imagine, di ba? How much is that? Who is the company na willing tumaya sa isang ganong event? That you feel so important, that you are part of the big table. Tapos may waiter ka, tapos deserve yung pagkain. Anong klaseng treatment? No one can do that. Siguro, iikot ang 3 generation, wala nang gagawa ng ginawa ng freeway para sa atin. At ano ang intention niya? I want to change the entire multi-level marketing. That is mission. That is his passion. Anong ibig niyang sabihin? Ang ibig niyang sabihin, alam niyang there is something wrong on some orientation and practices and culture within the industry of multi-level marketing, and he wants to influence this industry so that we are aligned, whether you are Amway, Causeway,
No way.
Forever Living, Norway. So, because in 18 years of experience of Freeway, more or less, boss are confident enough to know what is the big concept of Freeway on how. Although, syempre, alam naman natin yung mga taga-Western, pag chinek mo kasi sa Google, the top 10 multi-level marketing in the whole world, Freeway are not there. Because may ibang sukatan ng Western sa pwede na. So, ganun eh. But we know to ourselves, by ano lang by comparison, we don't want naman, ayaw naman sana natin. So, you know that 10 billion, kung pag-uusapan yung sa isa, yung 10 billion US dollar are raised by Amway kasi by almost 70 years. Hello. Oo, malapit na pong matapos. Yes, oo. Lalapit na. Inabot ng 17 years before they reach the 10 billion US dollar sales. Don't you know that Freeway they reach the 10 billion in 8 years on? Kung yun ang isang magiging sukatan lang. But of course, maraming factor. And it's very hard to the outside person that they understand us. Because the one who understands Freeway is the person who inside the Freeway.
Yes.
Minsan nasa loob na nga, hindi pa nila maintindihan.
Correct.
Pegasus na nga, hindi pa maintindihan. Wala na akong video. Excited. I mean, at least we're lucky enough because Sir Joel and Ma'am Saire really try their best to put us to leveling of our understanding how lucky we are inside in this kind of platform. So again, can we give a round of applause to our Part 2, insight from our leaders. Ito mga narinig ko rin lang sa kanila sa level when they discuss about people. So, yan yung yun lang yung naging conclusion ni boss pagdating sa people. Na-discover ko na yung pala yung kanyang hidden agenda pagdating sa direction ng Freeway sa multi-level marketing, sa industriya. He wants Freeway to be number 1. For us to recognize, no. For us to influence the whole world on our environment, in our culture, in our behavior. That's the kind of leaders we have. Hindi dahil gusto niya magpasikat that we are number 1. Gusto niya maging number 1 ang Freeway because he wants to influence the industry. Because, pwede kasi sabihin ni Limbon, because we are very successful. This is the reason why. At yun yung gusto niyang maging influensya sa ibang industry. Appreciation can be said, but in terms of influence, kasi tatanungin siya anong ginawa niyo for the following 18 years? Why people really so love the platform, really so love Freeway? And when they understand, they may be follow, diba? In their own capacity, in their own culture environment. until the whole industry will be recognized by the whole world, recognized by the Philippines, by the nation. Anyway, mamaya I will discuss. May isang exciting part. How the former GM of Freeway Philippines really medyo masakit sa ulo pag-isipan yung kanya. Anyway, sige, next. Oh, the statement from Team Elite Pegasus. Ang sinasabi niya, in terms of ideal people for Freeway, what is needed are capable individuals who can lead others according to the proper methods of the system. Ito yung kanyang famous saying, work with the system and the system work for you. Since the beginning of Sir Joel until at this time, yun yung kanyang, pag may nagsalita niyan, signature statement yan. Siya lang ang nagsasalita niyan. So, can we give a round of applause to Sir Joel? At ito yung pinipilit niyang ipaunawa sa atin. Although minsan nahihirapan din si Sir Joel on how to explain this method, on how to explain this to all of us. Kaya, mic test. Yun. Kaya, sabi niya, bottom line of our system is just to follow. So, that's it. So, ako, for almost a year, nung sinasabi niya, Mix, trying to follow. Ako, nahirap ako intindihin yun kasi hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Until such a time that I know that why Sir Joel are ranked up on the level of Pegasus. Because he only follow our Team Supreme Pegasus one, Loman Shen. And then Loman Shen are aligned to his leader. That is simple how the business it is. We need to follow so that we align on the same direction. Sometimes kasi nag-ano pa tayo, nag-experiment to. We try to reinvent the wheel until we find that we are lost. Kaya doon ko pinapatukan din yung sarili ko. So, kaya in terms of direction, we need to trust our leaders to follow. Because the problem of Team Elite Pabo, Diamond 3, the rank of Diamond 3 Star, the rank of Team Elite Phoenix, pinagdaanan ni Sir Joel yan. And he knows what proper advice that he can give to you, to guide you on our direction. So, before I proceed, hindi ko lang po matiis, can we acknowledge the presence of our Business Development Manager, Sir John Masin. Okay, next. Oh, next. Sige, go ahead. So, this is I call also from the perspective of Sir Joseph Pan discussing about the people. And sinasabi niya, in the leadership of Freeway, a leader's success is measured by their ability to care for their people. Building relationship with people is crucial for success. Leadership should focus on the level of cooperation with people, not just their capability. Do you think in a normal setup in terms of company, Deo Sampaga, a grade 6 student, pedicab driver, are qualified for this kind of in the outside world? Qualified ba siya? Hindi, di ba? So, even yung ating magbubuti, even yung sino pa? Ating construction boy, they are not qualified. But because in a form of leadership of Freeway, because of the understanding at pinipilit ipaunawa sa atin ng mga leader, this is one of the contribution that I get from presently our general manager. it is the kind of investment that we need to put in on how to build the relationship. Tingin niyo ba si Deo ay naging pasaway on the process? But Ma'am Luz really give her best to stretch her patience to still hold Deo because he believed Deo in the capability, in the capacity, and the commitment and will. And because of that, can we give a round of applause to Ma'am Luz? Okay, next. The favorite one, environment and influence. Yeah. Environment shapes individual, but influencing someone with a different culture is challenging. People of Railway need to become the right person to attract other right people. You know, I don't know how many of you already invited some of the network leaders from other company. Nawala na naman din sila doon. It's very hard. Why? Because when you invite them into Railway, mas magaling sila sa'yo. Ito ang malupit. Ituturo pa sa'yo kung ano yung dapat gawin. Correct?
Yes.
That's how you experience from ano. Because, particular, minsan may nag-approach din sa akin. Sabi niya, Ran, alam mo, yung grupo ko, grabe kami, 1,000. Gusto mo yung Metro Manila base ko sa'yo. Daling ko sa Railway. Sabi niya, yung space niyo doon, training room niyo, kaya mong punuin yan. Tapos, ganito, upo ka, ganito yung gagawin natin. Tapos, ito yung kailangan namin budget para sipahin mo kaya. Are you familiar with that?
Yes.
It's very hard, no? Of those people that they have their own culture, they have their own environment, they have their own mindset. So, kaya sinasabi ni Sir James sa atin, for us to be able to find a right person, we should be first the right one. Tayo muna. Because eagle can attract eagle. Hindi pwede ma-attract ang agila sa maya o yung maya sa that's the different things. So we need to find ways on how we see ourselves whole, maging buo sa loob ng Railway. Okay? Let's go to part 3. So, ito yung mga ilang reflection ko lang na gusto kong maibahagi sa inyo. Okay. When can you say that you're already people by Railway? Kailan nyo masasabi that you are consider yourself people by Railway? When you become a Diamond 1 star? That you bring million of sales in this company?
No.
Na sa kabila ng mahal ang gasolina ay nandirito ang commitment niyong magbiyahe? How? When can you say that you're already people by Railway? Let me share with you a story. Hindi ko lang alam kung it way back a year ago. When kasi ako, kaya pag ko na itanong sa inyo to, I also ask myself, tao na ba ako na rin? Kasi it is in a form of how you classify yourself that you are people, that you're already part of this organization. So, a year ago, when boss came here to treat our top 10 leaders of Philippines, inimbitahan niya para manalangin. So, from Terminal something airport. Pwede naman silang di ba? Coaster, yung top 10. Kasi ang plano niya, dali niya sa Clark. Yun lang. Tikman yung sisig, what is this sisig is all about, and then for the lunch, for the bonding of our top 10 leaders. No? But, hindi siya gumamit ng poster. Anong ginawa niya? From Singapore, dinala niya yung kanyang private jet. Sinundo niya yung ating top leaders. And then they bring them to Clark for a bonding moment sa isang masarap na sisig. Just for the bonding. No business related. And then, after that, hinatig niya rin lang. And then, what is the effect to our top 10 leaders? Grabe yung treatment. How see the boss really build the relationship, the companionship. They really feel their value as a leaders of this organization. And then, after that meeting, Sir James gathered the top 10 leaders in preparation for our LPS. I don't know how many of you already heard the Project X. They created Project X on that time. So by the handling by the management, handling by Sir James during that time, with the help of our training head, Sir JD and Sir John. So they choose some leaders. So bukod doon sa top 10 leaders, they choose and they pick up 2 pagos representing Ma'am Helen Don and Lani Pedreros. And then I received call around 2 a.m. Pinapupunta kami mag-asawa rin. So, and alam niyo yung pakiramdam na the Team Supreme are there. And then, Raymond Tong, oh Rad, you're so early. Are you getting your products? Sabi ko niya, hindi ko naman masabi na ako yung tinawagan to be part of that meeting. And then, nung nag-start na, syempre, hesitantly, we are outside of that. Nag-iipon na. And then, Sir James called us, sabi niya, Rad, sit here, together with people. You know, the feeling of the top 10 leaders included the 2 panels. There are around, I'll check the cheer, how many Diamond 3-star we have in the entire Philippines? 300. And out of 300, how many in the Metro Manila? Actively around 50 to something. And then from the Diamond 3-star, we pick up as part of this group. Did you see the value that we experience from the management? That treatment. The management really helped us to push on something onto the next level. Although we know what happened, I hit the first Magpabo, second, and then during the first Magpabo, during the LTS, inanap pa rin talaga ako ni Sir James, together with PT Nathan, just to shake my hands and to give the congratulatory on that. And then when I did not hit the run for Pabo, nung nakita kami rito ni Sir James, the face, sabi sa akin ni Sir James, alam niyo, may mga gusto siya sabihin pero hindi niya masabi. And then, on the second, nung pagbalik niya, Rad, can you give me the key of your house? Give me all your credit cards. Give me your wallet. Give me your passbook. Give everything that you have. And then start all over again. Why? Because why you failed? Because you are not hungry enough. Alam mo, Nung pag-uwi, although di ko naman sinabi sa wife ko, pero I really cried during that time. Because the value that Sir kailangan pa bang umabot ako na Sir James are the one who called me or tried their best to push to the next level? I think so. I think so. What we need is to align. What we need is to find our way on the direction given to us by the Riway itself, by the management. Okay, how can we answer that? Of course, ang bottom line lang naman, lahat naman tayo ay dumaraan sa proseso that we need to enter to the system so that after we get out of the system, because of the influence of culture, because of the influence of environment, because of the influence of training, because of the influence of inputs and insight coming from our business development, we do understand where we stand as a Riway people. Transformative. Kasi even though ako pa dumadalaw ako ngayon sa dati naming lugar, although I'm not wearing like this. So, yung dati naming squatter community dyan sa Araya, statement ko to. You can say you are people by Riway when you fully embrace the company's vision and values, and you actively contribute to its growth and success. It means you're not just a participant, but a true representative of what Riway stands for, embodying its principle in your action and interaction. Kailangan, when we say company's vision, kailangan mag-leveling up tayo. Parang iisa yung pag-unawa natin. Kasi along the way, alam naman natin, by normal attrition, may mga taong malalaglag talaga along our journey. But important things is, we need to hold as many as we can. And one thing that we can hold them is try to influence them on the vision of what we saw in Riway. This is my personal how can I share my vision in Riway? Sinasabi ko sa kanila, try to analyze boss when he said, do you think 18 years of Riway, short term, long term? Sa atin, long term yun, napakahaba nun. Pero kay boss, 18 years is a very short. Feeling niya, kakapanganak pa lang ng Riway last month. And then they restart all over again. Anong sinasabi niya? Because I want to see Riway system will be exist for the next generation. Wow! Sabi ko, dito na ako magpapakamatay. If that is the kind of statement given by the founder itself. Sino nakaunawa niya? Sino nakakaunawa ng ibig sabihin ng ating boss, ni Mr. Lindon? So, by deep meaning, real simple analysis, next generation, ibig sabihin, pag pigok na si boss, pigok na lahat ng management.
Nandyan pa rin si Riway. Nandyan pa rin si Riway.
Boy, as a joke. Ginawihan. Ibig sabihin, the system of Riway tried their best to continue. Ano ibig sabihin? The benefits will goes to next
Generation.
generation. So I can imagine, Joshel, during that time, papansinin niya pa ba yung kanyang dentistry kung kumikita ng 5 million sa account ni Sir Joel, 3 million kay Mang Cyril.
Oh.
Kuya mo na, try to imagine that, 10 years from now, 15 years from now. 8 million a month, Doc. Are you satisfied?
Pwede na raw.
Kaya nga nagtsatsaga mag-technical eh, kasi
Investment pala yan.
pero hindi nakakapapos. Try to imagine. That is the kind of vision that we need to hold on. And we try to influence others. Para at least tayo mga nandirito, magtagpo tayo sa isang level ng pagkakataon. When we say vision, what is the meaning of that? Based on the statement of our boss, that this system will continue for the next generation. They really try their best. The system itself, okay? No? Okay. Embrace the vision, believe in core values, contribute to its growth and success. Hindi ko na, Doc, sige, go ahead. Okay. Yan. Kung nagawa nila, sige, go ahead, Doc. Kung nagawa nila, kaya mo rin. So, these are the people that already enter into system of free will. They trust the system of free will. Alam niyo naman, di ba yun? The black box story. Maglagay ka ng harina, asin, asukal, ano pa? Mantika. Paglabas doon, magiging ano? Kaya si Deo, pag pinasok mo, magiging? Bakit mo tinapon? Really become a Riway people. That's how they trust the company. These are only one of the Kasi kung pag-uusapan capability ng bawat individual ng wala silang kakayahan. But because of they are attached to Riway system, their confidence to do the Riway, yung capability, no question about that. Because the leaders who influence them is they really build the relationship. Naibahagi na sa kanila kung gagawin mo to long term, ano yung potential na pwede mangyari sa iyo. Okay? So next. Hindi lang ito sa usapin ng local or domestic situation. And this is one of the person, because success and failure depend on people. Alam niyo naman yung story ni Tan Kim Lee, no? Our Team Supreme Pegasus 9 Trainings. No? Kung hindi niya pa nabibito yung Riway, ito yung taong bangkarote, sagad sa utang, maraming problema sa pamilya, gusto hiwalayan ng asawa. On the 17th floor of his residence, gusto niya nang tumalon. But he gave himself another chance. And because of Riway, this person are now one of the very successful in the platform.
Amen.
So can we give up? The next, ayun, sinasabi ko siya. Transformation. Actually, sige, go ahead, Doc. Hanggang na oras lang ba tayo? Okay, sige, mabilisan, Doc. Sorry. So, okay, core values and vision. Actually, ganyan lang yan. Ito yung core values that transcend to our society. Napawawa ko dyan kasi that's the statement from the former general manager, James Joy, na sinasabi niya, narinig ko sa kanya, that he wants Riway Philippines can maybe influence to the society of Philippines. So, anong ibig sabihin? Para kasi, ang hirap talaga arukin yung statement na yun, coming from the former GMO. That's how we see the big appreciation to our GM James during that time. Kasi kung uusisain mo, ganun niya kamahal ang Pilipinas. More than us. Yun nga yung sampal sa akin during that time when he said that he wants Riway Philippines can maybe influence to our society, can maybe influence to our government, because we carry our values that can maybe change other people, can maybe change our society. So that when we change our society, we influence them as a Riway people, we know what can be happen to Philippines. Alam natin na ibabangon natin ang bansang ito mula sa madilim na mapupusikit na karelasyon na kanyang pinagdaraan tungo sa maliwanag na pag-asa para sa ating bayan. So that's how James really loved our town. More than us. Minsan nga nakakahiya di ba? Nakakahiyang grabe yung pagmamahal ng tao ito sa aming bansa. How come that I'm not thinking like that? So, okay, next. Mindset transformation. Ito lang po ano to, personal ko ito. Ha? Huwag niyo ako ito. Ito yung mga ilang pinagdadaanan namin sa team in terms of mindset transformation. From product seller to system understanding. Kasi kung nandirito ka para magbenta-benta ng project, okay lang yan, kikita ka. Pero along the way, pagka medyo limited yung pag-unawa mo, what is Riway is all about, you will be tired and you will stop. And then pagtigil mo, sisiraan mo na yung Riway. That's the way na pinanghihinayangan namin yung pagkakataon mong dumaan ka na sa ilang yugto ng proseso ng journey sa Riway. What you need is to just continue to understand what is the system is all about. Believe in life improvement through community of Riway. Yeah. As I said, yung capability nila din, mahirapan sila kung sila lang. Tapos ongoing motivation supply for the whole team. So yung leader sharing, meeting, LTS and LR are really given costs. Napakalaking investment, malaking pera yung binibitawan ng Riway to all of us. Just to find ways on how they contribute to all of us to grow, to elevate our mindset, and to find ways to influence to others. And then platform for life is scale up. So ibig lang sabihin, alam naman natin, mula sa dating Uber driver, so di ba, the lifestyle of Sergio will are different now, together with some of our leaders. Okay? Sige to. Ayun, giving and learning. So, at the end of the day, as people by Riway, the purpose of growing is giving. So, boss is one of the model. So, siya yung alam natin hindi marami talaga. So, kaya magandang pagnilayan ditong area na ako. So, hindi lang natin sinasarili yung RW natin, yung ating income. Because we are here for the purpose of money. Sooner or later, we will withdraw. If that is the intention. Kailangan mabago yung pananaw na yun. So, for us to be able more grow, sometimes, sino nakakapag-tithes and offering pa rin ito? O, 10%. Pag kumita ka ng 500,000, 50,000 yun. Your first experience of 50,000. Kaya lang, it's big there, di ba? Anyway, okay, sige po. Sige po. Hindi ko na iisa-isahin. More or less, I already give you the substance. So, medyo limited kasi yung ating time. By people by Riway, these are some key areas of indicators. The genuine care and support for others. Let us reflect how sincere you are to your teammates, to your downlines, to your partners in terms of support for them. Embracing the Riway's culture. How do we understand the culture itself? And then, living by the principles. Si Deo, mayayaya mo pa yan pumunta ng beer house. Si Sir Brando, may babalik mo pa sa bar. Bibisita lang yan, pero in 10 minutes, parang sinisilaban yan. Hindi yan magtatagal because he's already reweight people. Ibig sabihin, may mga bagay sa nakaraan natin that we are not already comfortable. Kaya nasumbong yung si Deo sa pag nag-beer house to. So, I mean, diba? Alam naman natin yan. If we are kung nagsusugal tayo noong araw, ngayon napipigilan. Why? Because we are reminded of our core values in terms of right thinking. Yung may asawa ba, papakailangan mo ba? Hindi na, kasi it's already teaching us. Okay? Empowering and developing others. This is our role on how we can contribute to person to elevate. So, kaya nga, ako, I'm very proud to Casey from Iloilo. Even Sir Joel and Ma'am Cyril, mahirap magpa-impress sa kanila, but when this person speak on the stage, grabe talaga. So, tutuwa kami because we know that we contribute to this person. A sense of belonging and contribution. Tapos leading by example. These are the key areas that maybe you reflect. Are you qualified as people by reward? You need to reflect on that key areas, 6 key areas. Okay? Leaders are not the ones who wait for the perfect moment. Leaders are the ones who create the moment and walk forward first so others can follow. Initiative is important. We cannot wait for our leaders to moving forward on the direction of growth and progress. This is the responsibility to each one of us on how we can find ourselves to develop, to become a better person, to become a progressive person. That's the only way we can influence to others. I know it's very hard to lead others. Pinakamalungkot na trabaho itong pinasok natin, pagiging leaders. But it is worth because I do believe if we influence the person from rag to riches, someday it is your legacy. That Ma'am Luz, the legacy of Ma'am Luz contribute to Deo cannot be erased by history, cannot erased by story. That's why one of our mission is to find those people that we need to elevate their mindset towards progress, towards the future of giving hope that there is already platform that given a chance to all of them. So with all that, so maraming pong salamat sa inyong pakikinig.